Welcome back to another Motel Coach training video. Today we're diving into motel management and we're going to show you how to order and manage linen at your motel. To help us manage and order linen, I've put together a linen ordering calculator. This will create a base that you can work off, but each property will be different in terms of ordering linen. Things like delivery frequency of your linen provider, how much linen you keep on hand, and how much linen you use will determine how you manage your linen. The standard method for working out how much linen to stock is the PAR system. PAR, or Periodic Automatic Replacement Level System. Let's explain the PAR level. One PAR equals the total number each linen item needed to fully service all rooms once. That would be one PAR. 3 PAR would mean that you could turn the entire motel over 3 times. If you've got a linen company that sometimes struggles to deliver linen on time, you might have a higher PAR level. That means you might stock more linen at your motel. If you have a low delivery frequency, you might also stock more linen on site. And as your motel turnover increases, you'd also need to have more linen on site. There's a significant cost to running out of linen. Your housekeepers can't finalize the rooms without leaving them and coming back later when the linen delivery arrives. You can potentially not have rooms ready for when guests arrive. In general, the cost for turning the room over increases significantly if you don't have linen when you're redoing the rooms. The first step with working out your PAR level is to determine the total amount of linen that you need per room. So you want to work out, in a queen room, how many queen sheets do I need? How many pillowcases do I need? Each motel will differ slightly based on how they fit out the room. You're then going to multiply by the number of rooms of each type that you have to give you a total amount of linen required. So for our motel, for a queen room, we've got 2 queen sheets, 2 pillowcases, 2 towels, 1 bath mat, 1 hand towel, and 1 face washer, and multiply it by the number of rooms that we have of that room type. So if we had 10 queen rooms, we would then have 20 queen sheets, 20 pillowcases, 20 towels, 10 bath mats, 10 hand towels, and 10 face washers. We would then add up all of the room types and we can create a PAR level depending on how we want to set up our motel. The other final restriction you might have on linen stock is how much storage space you have. If you've got a lot of storage space, having more linen on site won't cause too many issues. You don't want to have linen sitting around for weeks or months. It will over time pick up dirt and will need to return back to the linen company. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe below. If you're looking to get into motel management or level up your existing skills, check out the links in the description for motel management and guest point PMS training.